Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Janelle if you're new here, and if you're coming back, thanks for watching these videos again. And this week is all about color matching projects that you can do with your toddler. Color matching is so important for little ones as it really helps with their development. This might be a little too soon for Ev as she is 1 year old, but I mean, it's never really too soon to do these little projects with your little one to stay busy, even if it is like 5 minutes a day and then they're going to get not interested, but it's still worth a try as it really does help their development and it helps them learn different cues between words and visuals. First up is this DIY paint chip activity for color matching. I love this one because it is as simple as going to your local hardware store and you can pick out a bunch of different paint chips. And then the clothespin you can find at your local dollar store, and then it's just gluing a little bit of the paint chip onto the top of the clothespin and then having your little one clip it on to match. And I also love that not only is it color matching, but you're also having your little one learn how to open and close the clothespin. So it's just motor skills as well. Next up is pom-pom sorting. This is a great one as it looks like you can do this with different themes. So this one is Easter themed, but you could probably do it with Valentine's Day, maybe with different shades of red and pink. But I love it just using, they can use their hands, once again, motor skills, or maybe using like a little pincher grabber like tweezers, but a safety one for kids, not as pointy as the ones we use. But in having those, picking up the pom-poms and putting them in the correct color of the lid. This one might be one of my favorites. I love it because it is a scavenger hunt and I feel like it's something I would even enjoy doing most likely. But it's simply as laying down a bunch of different colored paper on the ground. So just any construction paper that you have, or maybe you could even use a piece of clothing for the base. Just use your creativity. There's so many different things you do. I have a green box over there I could use for the green. There's so many different things you could do. But then have your little one run around the house or around the toy area and find things that match that color and put it back on top of the main construction paper. This is similar to the last one, but using Legos or Mega Bloks. Ev loves her Mega Bloks. This is something we could definitely do, but it is color sorting instead of finding things that are that certain color. So grouping all the yellows together, all the greens together, all the red together. And I love this one. I hope it will keep her busy for a little while. But then maybe you could be like, build a red tower, build a yellow tower, different things like that. This light keeps going on my face, so I apologize if I am just getting random lighting that is coming from my window. I'm trying to position myself so it doesn't pop up. This one might take a little more to set up. It is a DIY popsicle matching activity. And it looks like you just have the popsicle part is pieces of felt, so you can cut that out. And then just using popsicle sticks with the very end of the popsicle stick having the color. So just using a marker or a Sharpie, something like that, and having circle that at the end of the popsicle stick and have that match up with the matching colored felt. And you could also write on the popsicle stick the color that it is. So they're learning what the word blue looks like, yellow, different things like that. So you can do a bunch of different activities within this one. This one is cool, but it might actually turn into snack time as well. So you might want to do this at snack time just so you can do two things at once. But using a pipe cleaner and then some colored cereal, maybe such as Fruit Loops, you have your little one thread on the color coordinated color onto the pipe cleaner. So red with red, blue with blue, etc. And like I said, this is most likely going to turn into a snack time as well. But I mean, that's okay. Fruit Loops are delicious. You can't argue with that. And once again, this is working on fine motor skills as well. So multiple learning activities all in one. Next up is this ball drop color matching activity that is just using a cardboard box. So using a box, you cut out holes around the top and then have your little one, or you can do it as well, but your little one might like getting involved in this one and decorating the box, but putting color blue around one circle, yellow, green, etc. Or you could even have them decorate with like yellow stickers around yellow, blue around blue. And then they have to drop the color coordinated ball into the hole, and then they can have fun with lifting up the box and all the balls coming back out after. This one I found online has a free template, so if you're looking for something quick and easy, this is great. And it's for Easter, but once again, this is something that could be used the same like type of idea, but for different themes and holidays going forward. I love this because it's just a bunny and you put it into a Ziploc bag. It looks like there's hair gel inside with little pom-poms, and then you're matching the pom-pom up to the bunny's nose, or you could do the tail, and have it move it over so they're learning motor skills as well and going around, and I feel like I'm just pretending to do it right now with my fingers. And this project reminds me when I was little, my friend's mom used to always have like ketchup and mustard packets in a Ziploc bag, and we used to have so much fun just like moving the ketchup and mustard around in a bag, and that's what this activity reminds me of. And it's just funny that that is one thing that I really remember, is just playing with ketchup and mustard in a bag. Another activity that you can use with your ball pit balls, and that is just color sorting. So you have red and blue, or any colors that you have, put a matching color into two different baskets, and they have to like put each one in the correct spot. This one might be one of my favorites, and I'm pretty sure I said that with what, number 3, but I really do love this one, as well as there's so many different activities kind of within this one. So I love that it's showing a picture of a fruit, or you could really put a picture of anything on there, but then they have to use a clothespin and match the color that the item is to the 3 different options that are at the bottom. This is really cool, and I'm pretty sure this has free printables for you, so I'm going to link everything down below if you want to check it out. But this is definitely something that I'm going to be doing with Everly, and also gives me an excuse to buy the laminator that I want to buy, because during these projects, that's what you're going to need. And I don't know why, I just feel like a laminator would make it fun, and I remember using it when I was teaching overseas, and they were just awesome for labeling and organization, so no excuse to buy one of those. I hope you guys like those color matching activities that you can do with your toddlers. Let me know if you guys came up with any ones down below, and remember always, if you try any of these, let me know. You can always show me on Instagram with a video or maybe a photo. I'll put all the information down here for my social handles if you want to check it out and tag me in anything. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate you guys coming and checking out these videos all the time. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as I'm back all the time with more videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.